Okay, look what just arrived. Thank you, Ives, for sending this to me. I got some new, Foamcore paddles are all the rage. So I got some new samples to test out for the Foamcore paddles. So let's see what we have here. All right. So first of all, this is new Legacy 3.0. The 3.0 says that it is the new Foamcore that everybody loves. So I got one of those. Nice little logo. They put my logo on there, right there. So for one of these test samples, so great of an idea. I'm so excited. Okay, this is Legacy 4.0. Why is it 4.0? Oh, it's got a nice grip on it, you know. Very interesting. Feel the Foamcore. And that's because this is the same as the Selkirk Foamcore. So we'll be interested in testing this out. I'm excited. Thank you, Ives, for this. And so if you see me in the course, ask me, hey, you got one of those Foamcores I can test out? And so when I'm back in the U.S., we'll see what we can do. Foamcore is noted for its control of exactly where you want to. These look to be 16 millimeters, and I'm excited to be at all 16. That one's a little narrower. I think that's 14, two 14s and a 16. Ah, great. Should be great. All right, I'll see you in the course.